Michelle May. Redublo Gemaline D. Cum laude. Raquinto Derry, Supreme Student Council Awardee, Leadership Service Awardee, Cultural Service Awardee, magna cum laude. Roman Kimberly Z. Cum laude. Salva Ivy Rose O. Sazon Chatlin C. Solina Laila Marie E. Cubana Ira Beatriz A. Service Awardee in Governance. Una Jean Andrea. Villapañe Reina Rose S. And Villapando May Angeli P. Congratulations.
For Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, may we request Dr. Mark Sylvester P. Garcia, Associate Dean, College of Agriculture.
Good afternoon. On behalf of LSPU College of Agriculture, it is my pride. Guayaban Ramil S. Best in On-the-Job Training. Capistrano Eliver Shireen V. Santos Aaron O. Verdadera Aldrin G. And Villapañe Mark Joseph R. On behalf of LSPO College of Agriculture, congratulations, Batch 2025.
For Bachelor of Science in Agri-Fisheries and Business Management, may I request Dr. Precious D. H. Tolentino, Dean, College of Fisheries, LSPU Los Baños Campus.
It is a great pride to present the graduates of the Bachelor of Science in Agri-Fisheries and Business Management from the College of Fisheries. Biglete Miguel Boyagon Sandro M. Capellan Bernalette P. Esplana Joel P. Flores Jonaline. Isibin Leia May A. She is a recipient of Service Award. Olanda Rihanna May B. Reyes Mark Joseph E. Robledo Mark Chan R. He is a recipient of Service Award in Governance. Roquelme Trisha L. Sabile Gregorio P. Velasco Joyce M. Congratulations, graduates, at mabuhay ang kolehiyo ng pangistaan.
LSPU Student Regent Honorable Luis Lane B. Padua, Vice President for Academic Affairs Attorney Rashid J. S. Santon, Campus Director of LSPU Sinaloan Campus, Vice President for Administration Engineer Beltran P. Pedregal, Vice President for Research and Development, Dr. Robert C. Agate. Our LSPU Campus Director, Dean of the College of Agriculture, Dr. Mark Sylvester P. Garcia. Dean of the College of Teacher Education, Dr. Adriel G. Roman. Dean of the College of Criminal Justice Education, Dr. Wilfredo D. Dalugdog. Dean of the College of Fisheries from Los Baños, Dr. Precious D. H. Tolentino. Guests from other campuses of LSPU, Deputy Administrator, our very own from Lopez Campus, Professor Florencia L. Capellan, members of the faculty and staff, proud parents, family members, and my fellow graduates, a graceful afternoon to all of you. Wow, we did it. We finally made it. Let me start by saying congratulations, my fellow graduates. The COVID-19 pandemic happened, nangyari yung virtual learning, nagkaroon pa ng monkeypox, pinimpol, nagkaroon ng acne, and despite all the ads, here we are. We still managed to graduate. So, let's give ourselves a big round of applause. I am Joanne from Bachelor of Elementary Education, and my GCash number is 0909. Kidding. Truly, it is with great honor and deep gratitude that I stand here in behalf of all the graduating students to say thank you to everyone who became part of our journey. Standing here, I feel a wave of different emotions: pride, excitement, nervousness, the weight of responsibility, and most of all, honor. Back in senior high school, ninakaw sa atin ng pandemic ang experience to walk across the stage and wear our gowns. But now, finally, we are now getting the graduation we truly deserve. Let me share a piece of me where it all began. I was a bubbly kid. I was with my parents sa Sintunis, dun sa Linang. At ang problema ko lang ay may kaaway ako kay Pink sa Power Rangers, pagbaba ng lipat ng saranggola ko, at pagbagal ng ikot ng trompo ko. And just like you, takot ako mapadapa at mapalo. Ang gamit pa naman noon yung panlabang kahoy, tapos pinsan uyo pa. Ang aking pong ama ay isang upholsterer. Nagtatahi po siya ng mga cover ng bus hanggang ngayon. Dati umuwi siya sa bahay minsan lang sa isang buwan. At ang aking mama naman po ay minsan sa gabi na lang halos namin nakikita dati dahil siya po ay naging isang farmer. Nagtatalok, nag-aani, tumatanggap din po siya ng labada kasama ang aking nanay. Masipag ang aking mga magulang hanggang ngayon. Second grade, kinugpo po ako ng aking mami. Ang akin pong tiyahin, kapatid ng aking tatay. Isa po siyang guro, kaya hindi mawala sa kanya ang pagiging strikta. Sa kanila ako nanirahan. Noong nag-enroll po ako sa GES, I felt left out. I can't utter a word sa mga kaklase ko. Everything just changed in a bit. Malaking adjustment. Ang tatalino nila. Wala akong kaibigan. Tapos, yung ibang teacher, sinusumbong ako kay mami kapag wala akong assignment. I remember, tinawag ako ng isang teacher sa klase na hilaw na papaya. Di ba po yung hilaw na papaya, sa konting tusok may lumalabas na gata? Ganon daw po ako, konting tusok, luha agad. Grabe, ni isang kaklase ko noon walang lumapit sa akin, hiyang-hiya ako. Hiyang-hiya naman ako lalo na dun sa crush ko. Maraming boses ang nagsabi sa akin na magbago ka, malaki ka na. And I don't really know what to do or how to start because I still don't know who I am. Hanggang sa nakagraduate ako ng elementary, ako po ay laging awardee ng Batang Masunurin. Noong grade 6, nadagdagan naman po ng isa. Ako po ay isang choir member. Wow! Lahat ng yun po kinaya ko. At ang hindi ko kinaya ay yung malayo sa mga magulang ko. Yung wala ako sa sariling bahay. Gabi-gabi akong umiiyak with the thinking na sino ang pipigil ng pagpalo sa mga kapatid ko. Wala na akong matatanggap na pasalubong kay tatay at sobrang tagal ko pa silang makikita. But all of that made me stronger and build who I am today. With my story, I don't feel like giving advice about life because I don't believe I have lived my life long enough how to live yours. Let me share some lessons I learned from my journey here in LSPU Lopez, and that brought me where I am today. Que sira-sira. A Spanish phrase that means whatever will be, will be. Yung mga nangyari sa akin, lalo na nung bata pa ako, ipinagpapasalamat ko yun. Dahil kung hindi, baka hindi na ako nag-aaral. Baka sinukuhan ko na yung mga pangarap ko. At baka wala ako dito sa harap ninyo. Actually, I am not even from your batch. Things happened when I enrolled at my previous school. Ladies and gentlemen, the best years of my life began when I entered college here at LSPU Lopez. Kaya sira-sira. Kung ano ang mangyayari, mangyayari. This is what I believed in after what happened to me. We experienced 2 years of online learning. It sounded simple. Nasa bahay ka lang, a-attend ka lang ng klase. But that wasn't the reality for many of us. It looked like this. Ma, kailangan ko po ng pang-load. Kahit wala naman. Tay, wala pong signal. A-absent na lang po ako. I remember many times, the audio kept breaking sa meet. Yung boses ng instructor, "Good morning, class." Ayan. We tried so hard to focus and it was really worth it. Whatever will be, will be. Something will, and it is in God's will. This is the day we prove that we can survive even with hardship and an aching heart. Learned what to hold on to and what to let go of. There's this trend about multo. We all have that, where it says, my multo is not a person, but the what-ifs, the almost, and the dreams we wanted so badly, yet never pursued. You think of your multo, what is it? Is your multo still haunt you? Or do you believe that you are on this right path? It wasn't random that you're here and took the course you are in. This is your purpose. This is God's will. Your multo is life's rejection, and where you are right now is God's redirection. You are being led somewhere greater. And maybe someday, your multo is just waiting for God's perfect time. Dear graduates, I hope you don't carry everything at once. Choose what truly belongs to you to hold on to, and gently let go of the rest. And in time, you'll see it all makes sense. Allow yourself to fail and to learn. Bagsak ako sa exam, I'm a failure. Rejected sa trabaho, I'm a failure. One wrong decision, I'm a failure. Why? Why do we see ourselves as failures at just one time? It doesn't define your entire value. Meron tayong pressure na nakikinig sa surroundings natin kahit hindi naman nakikinig pero damang-dama mo, minsan pa malalim. Be successful, huwag kang magkakamali. Be the best, bakit ganyan lang? Dapat ganito. Make your parents proud. There's too much expectation from the people around us. Everyone, you may have failed at something, but that doesn't mean you're a failure. Kaya sira-sira. Huwag tayong sumuko at matakot dahil sa isang pagkakamali. Matakot ka kung hindi mo ulit susubukan. You're still learning. Your story isn't over just because a chapter didn't go as planned. So, allow yourself to fail and more importantly, allow yourself to learn. Be kinder to yourself. No one has it all figured out. What's next? Yung iba, hindi naman alam kung saan ang punta pagkatapos nito. Ay, sabi ng iba, ay ako'y pupunta sa kainan sa garay pagkatapos nito. Ako'y pupunta sa Jollibee. Some of you might already have a plan. Some of you may not know how to start. Life after graduation is not a straight line leading to a job. Take your time and remember, there's no universal timeline for success. Be patient in the process. Be proud of yourself for surviving the late nights, breakdowns, and moments you thought about quitting pero you still showed up. Gusto ko sabihin sa inyo na maiintindihan ka ng mundo kung ano ang mga sunod mong hakbang. Kaya sana, don't be too hard on yourselves. We have these comfort words na lagi nating sinasambit. Bukas, gagaan din. Tahana, baka bukas, magaan na. At saka dun sa kantang, just stop your crying, it will be alright. And believe it or not, that's right. Hindi man bukas o sa isang araw, there will be a morning where the weight won't feel suffocating. At masasabi mo sa iyong sarili, kaya ko pala. You're doing your best, and your best doesn't have to be perfect. You deserve everything that makes you happy. Be kind to yourself, and I hope the world will be kind to you. Isang malaking yakap po para sa inyong lahat, and maybe, just maybe, this is exactly where you're meant to begin. Today, we are not only the students who will receive diplomas, but students who will embrace this big achievement with the theme, Global Citizen for Sustainable Change, LSPU Shaping the Future for Local Action and Global Impact. I need to work abroad pala. Global citizen daw eh. Should wear their passport? Let's go deeper. At nung paulit-ulit kong binasa yung theme na yon, I did realize na ako pala yon. Tayo pala yon. We are the students molded here in LSPU Lopez, not just for our own future, but to be of service to our communities and to the world. Tinuruan tayo ng higit pa sa makikita sa libro, higit pa sa kung anong kailangan para makapasa, at higit pa sa utak ang may laman, kundi ang ating mga puso. Sa mga gabing piniling hindi makatulog, preparing for demo, maagang pagising for training, at pagbilad sa tinik na araw, every leadership role we took, lahat ng iyon ay hakbang para mas maging ulat tayo sa mas malaking layunin, para ihanda tayo sa kinabukasang hindi lamang para sa atin, kundi para sa ating bayan. This university, LSPU Lopez, this is my second home. I know you'll believe me when I say that LSPU made us the students we are today. It made us the students who bring pride not just on our own, but our town and leaders to our community. Ang mga estudyante na hindi na sa apat na sulok ng classroom mananatili, pagkusanda na sa kung anong hamon na ibigay ng bilog na mundo. Ang mga estudyante na hindi lamang trained to pass the exams, but ready to pass real challenges outside the school with integrity. LSPU didn't just prepare us for careers, it prepared us for life. In a world that's constantly changing, it needs change makers and leaders like us. That's why I'm standing here filled with nothing but gratitude. Thank you, LSPU, for shaping not just our minds, but also our hearts, for teaching us that success is not only about achievements, but also about the impact. We may be graduating today, but the lessons, values, and love we gained here will remain with us wherever we go. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating LSPU community. And I believe batch 2025, somewhere in the future, we will make a big difference. Remarkable individuals because of what we carry with us aside from a diploma, but the heart of a global citizen. Marunong umunawa, bukas para sa pagbabago, at handang tumulong para sa kinabukasan. And that is my last life lesson to you. Be thankful. Huwag puro hingi. Huwag puro tanggap. Matuto rin tayong magpasalamat. Allow me to offer my sincerest thanks to the people and pillars who have made this journey possible. To my classmates, thank you for everything. We may have a lot of misunderstandings, pero hindi yun ang nagbura sa katotohanang we grew up in this journey. Those 4 years of my life, kasama ko yun. Naramdaman ko sa inyo ang recognition that I didn't think you'll notice. Pinipili niyo ko, pinapaniwalaan niyo ko, hindi man sa lahat ng pagkakataon, pero salamat pinaramdam ninyo sa akin. Gusto kong sabihin na mahal ko kayo, and don't be a stranger. To my fellow graduates, batch 2025, congratulations! Thank you for your dedication at walang sawang pagtutulungan to make it here. We stood our ground, we showed up, and I'm proud of you all. Let's continue to shine wherever life leads us next. To the officers and committees of schools organizations, mamimiss ko kayo. At salamat sa pagpapauna ng kasiyahan at pagpapalabas ng talento ng ating kapwa mag-aaral. Good luck on your future plans and activities. To the non-teaching staff, salamat po for ensuring that we are safe, our campus remains safe, and for everything that you do. To the faculty members and staff, thank you for the knowledge and guidance. Words may never be enough to fully express the depth of our gratitude, but allow us to honor the tremendous impact you have made in our lives. You remain steadfast. You showed us what it means to lead with purpose, to persevere with patience, and to believe even when the path seemed unclear. Sa ating ina ng pamantasan, our Deputy Administrator, Professor Florencia L. Capellan, thank you for the opportunities you've given to all of us. Thank you for your leadership and for continuously raising the standard of education and student welfare. You've built not just a school, but a nurturing community. A community where we weren't just learning, but empowered. At dahil po sa inyo, hindi pwede ang pwede na, dapat? Ayan, very good. Ito po ay aming dadalhin sa paglabas ng aming pamantasan. Sa ating pong founding father of LSPU Lopez and commencement speaker, Honorable Isaias B. Ubana II, thank you for your time sharing words of wisdom to the LSPU community, and thank you for your unwavering support to our university. To all and to the LSPU community, thank you for molding and shaping students not only for themselves, but also for the world. Thank you for the experiences and creating a safe space for all of us. Ang mga estudyanteng mahuhusay at mabubuti ng LSPU ay handa na para sa mas malawak at mas malaking layunin. Sa ating mga alagang hayop, salamat sa kanilang presensya. Our pets never ask for anything so big, yet they give so much comfort, healing, and peace. To my best of friends, sinubok man tayo ng panahon, distansya, at mga hindi pagkakaintindihan, nanatili kayong nandyan. When we're together, I reminded myself to breathe again dahil gusto ko pa kayong makasama ng matagal. Thank you for growing with me in this journey, Kim, Angeli, Casey, Inigo, and to my cousin, Ate May. Hindi ko malilimutan kung sino ang kasama ko sa hirap at tagumpay. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. I also had this friend who helped me. We've been through so much together. He gave me opportunities and encouraged me to be a leader sa mas maraming tao. I'm deeply grateful for that. Thank you, Derek. Sa lahat ng mga magulang at tagapangalaga ng mga graduates, congratulations po. Sa inyo rin po ang tagumpay na ito. Hindi man sapat ang salitang salamat, pero lagi niyo pong tandaan na kayo ang tunay na inspirasyon sa aming bawat paghinga at pagpapatuloy. Hindi namin mararating ang araw na ito kung hindi dahil sa inyong suporta, tiyaga at sakripisyo. Wala na po bang hihingi ng baon, ng allowance, mga pambayad sa boarding house? Kaya po, mula sa ikubuturan ng aming puso, maraming salamat po. Palakpakan naman natin ating mga magulang. I also wanted to say this to my parents, Mama Roxanne at Tatay Jojo. Hindi ko man po marinig sa inyo ang mga salitang, proud ako sa iyo anak, pero alam ko, At ramdam ko na kahit sa tahimik na paraan, hindi man naging madali ang lahat dahil tatlo na rin kaming magkakapatid na nagkokolehiyo. Nagawa at nakahanap kayo ng paraan para makapagpatuloy kami. Huwag niyo po na akong pagbabayarin ng kuryente. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo at ang tagumpay ko pong ito ay inaalay ko sa inyo. Sa aking mga kapatid, Jackie at Jose, salamat dahil kayo ay nagpapatuloy sa ating pangarap para sa mas magandang kinabukasan sa ating pamilya. Wala mo nang hihingi, ha? Mahal ko kayo. Mami Ralyn, salamat sa lahat ng tulong, lalo na po sa aming magkakapatid. Thank you for treating me like your own. I am forever grateful to you. Isa po kayo sa dahilan kung bakit ako nagpapatuloy, kung bakit nandito ako sa harapan ng maraming tao. I love you po, Mami. Higit sa lahat, I thank God. For without Him, none of this would be possible. To the one who knew every prayer whispered in silence. To the one who stood with us in our lowest moments and highest victories. Lord, thank you. With that, may we all have forward, not just with dreams, but with courage. Not just with knowledge, but with wisdom. And as we go our separate ways, may we always find the strength to begin again, and the grace to live a life that matters. As I step down from this stage, iiwan ko kayo ng isang linya sa isang libro from Mark Manson entitled The Subtle Art of Not Giving Up. Don't just sit there. Do something. The answers will follow. May the rest of our lives be the best of our lives. This is John B. Malihan, your class valedictorian batch 2025. Thank you and congratulations.
Once again, a round of applause for Miss Joanne Maliha. Sino ba yung crush mo? Miss Joanne? Ano? Friends lang? Oh. Bulog mo mamaya. Next is the Pledge of Loyalty, to be led by Mr. Derek Requinto, Bachelor of Elementary Education, magna cum laude.
University, where we learn humanistic, technological, entrepreneurial, aesthetic, and pragmatic concepts, and enhancing curricular programs to make us globally responsive. We further pledge that shall dedicate our thoughts and lives in pursuing activities in which will give honor to our alma mater, maintaining respect among ourselves, expressing gratitude to our mentors, giving prestige to our country, and most of all, offering glory to God. May God bless and keep us always.
Thank you, Mr. Requinto. Now, to induct the new members of the LSPU Alumni Association. To lead, may we call on Mrs. Rogacion U. Villanueva, Chairperson, Alumni Affairs and Placement Services.
Thank you. Raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, please state your name, graduates of 2024-2025. Do hereby submit myself to Laguna State Polytechnic University Alumni Association. I pledge to abide by its rules and regulations, faithfully comply with its policies, and honorably fulfill my duties and responsibilities. As an alumna, therefore, I shall always uphold the trust and confidence of my dear alma mater, that all my actions will be in accordance with the tenets of the associations. So help me God. Congratulations, graduates.
Congratulations to our graduates. You can now proudly call yourselves alumni of Laguna State Polytechnic University, your guiding star to success. In every moment of one's life, there are always songs that will embody inferred emotions. With a round of applause, let us welcome Laguna State Polytechnic University, Lopez Satellite Campus, Batch 2025, for the graduation song.
Every step we take, a story unfolds. The strength inside us, brave and bold. Through all the trials, we've reached the goal. Our dreams are the treasures we proudly hold. This is our time, our moment to shine. The future is bright, the world is divine. Together we stand in this grand design. The dreams we hold will always align. The lessons we've learned, the bonds we've made, the love and guidance that never fade. With every challenge we're unafraid, for in our hearts the foundation's laid. This is our time, our moment to shine. The future is bright, the world is divine. Together we stand in this grand design. The dreams we hold will always align. Through every storm, through every fight, we found our way, we've seen the light. Now we are ready to take new flight, with hearts on fire, burning bright. This is our time, our moment to shine. The future is bright, the world is divine. Together we stand in this grand design. The dreams we hold will always align. Through every storm, through every fight, we found our way, we've seen the light. Now we are ready to take new flight with hearts on fire, burning bright. This is the start, the beginning we see. The path ahead calls for you and me. With every dream we will always agree. Our journey unfolds as we set ourselves free.
Aking tunghayan ang kwento ng tagumpay ng mga pamilyang naghahari ng pamaypay mula sa Lopez, Quezon. Pamaypayan na!
Mario R. Briones. Our guest of honor and commencement speaker, Honorable Dr. Isaias B. Ubana II. Together with the Honorable Rachel A. Ubana. The university officials, members of the administration, the faculty members. Guests, friends, proud parents, our dear graduates, once again, congratulations. This has been Jolo Viloria, your Master of Ceremonies, signing off.